We're here for the first annual Eugene Warrington Tribute to Vets, Food Trucks for Vets event, presented by Lifestyle Westchester.
Hey guys, Shrag Shop, founder of Lifestyle Westchester. So I'm here at the first annual Eugene Warrington Veterans Tribute Day event. Gene, it's been a great event to honor your grandfather. So why don't you tell us a little bit about him and what this is all about?
My grandfather, Eugene Warrington, patriarch of Walter's Hot Dogs for almost 70 years, was in World War II. There was no better way that we could think of honoring him and all our veterans than by bringing all these great people together and food trucks together, thanks to Lifestyle Westchester and all our sponsors.
We just think it's a great way for the community to come together and local businesses to support our veterans and for everything that they have done for our country.
What does a veteran mean to you?
The privileges that we have as citizens of the United States are based on sacrifices made by veterans. And so, the best term I would use is hero.
The dampness would eat you up alive. Survival was unbearable.
I'm here with Dave from A Beat. Thank you for being part of this event.
My grandfather was a veteran. He's unfortunately not here, but it's great to give back to them, for everything they've done for our country.
Everything we have is because of the veterans. That's the way I see it. To be here and kind of honor them, it's the least we could do.
So what does a veteran mean to you?
We have a freedom because they give up their freedom a little bit for us.
I just feel thankful and grateful every day that their sacrifice allows me to live in freedom. And this is a great cause, and we love to be part of community events like this.
This has truly been special. So as I say, it's like a pebble in an ocean of thanks that we have for every veteran. We look forward to seeing you guys at the next one. Thanks, buddy.